Hey y'all, it's your girl Keish. Welcome to a Walk in a Fat Woman's Shoes. Um,
That's cold,
um,
like I ain't even here.
hey y'all, I'm Keish,
I'm Mel.
and this is a Walk in a Fat Woman's Shoes. We are a Walk in a Fat Woman's Shoes. Tonight, as y'all can tell from the person on the side, my baby's with me, but you know, she's not in camera. So anyway, tonight I have for you guys.
What?
Tonight I have for you guys a broccoli salad. And I'm drinking on that good old H2O. Y'all know Big Girl ain't good, but she will do what?
Nothing.
Save you in a crisis. Yes,
Nothing.
she will. Yes, she will.
Nothing.
And how to get a big girl, a big soul, or a big baby, or even a male baby will be in the description box below. So you owe it to yourself. Go and get you one. And it comes from the coldest water. So you go and get you one. You owe it to yourself. Go and do it. Go and do it. And you know she gonna save you in a crisis. Anyway, let me say my grace and I'm gonna get into it. God is good, God is great. Thank you for the meal about to receive. Bless your holy name, bless prepares in the meal. Amen. Amen. So what's going on with you guys tonight? Let me know what you eat. Let us know what you're eating and what you if you're eating with us. Also let us know what's going on. Y'all nigga the woods, how's your weather treating and what y'all did today. Y'all don't wanna know, I'm nosy. Anyway, tonight I just I'm kinda dealing with a headache, but it's getting better because yesterday it was not better. But today I have for you guys, I have a broccoli salad. And it has it's broccoli. I don't have any lettuce or anything like that in it. It's just broccoli, cucumbers, black olives, cherry tomatoes, boiled eggs, and bacon. Yes.
Cheese.
And cheese, I'm sorry. And pepperoncini.
Yeah.
Pepperoncini's in there. Y'all know I gotta put the crispy onions on there, and I have some ranch dressing. So let me go ahead on and do it like I know I do it.
You can't do that.
This
You
salad,
need vacation.
this salad ain't nowhere near as big as the salad I had the other day. Y'all look at the salad. Let me show y'all what it look like. You know, I've already taken the picture. There you go.
Keep making the faces at me.
Ain't nothing you gonna do. Ain't nothing.
All right, Brown.
Go ahead. You know I'm too nice of a person. I'm gonna
That
start
sound
over here.
like fart.
That's the way it came out.
You heard
Paper
that?
towel. Oh no, that's
That
not.
ain't paper towel. That's shit paper.
That's your tissue. Can you like not do say that?
That's what it is, ain't it?
Yeah, but come on, man. People about to eat.
Hey, boy, what a paper towel.
So like I was saying, yeah, this is just a broccoli salad. You know, I wanted I wanted some broccoli salad, and I just said, you know what? I'm gonna kind of recreate the salad I had. Thank you, baby. I'm gonna kind of recreate the salad that I had the other day. Only thing that is missing, but I added cheese on it this time, but I didn't have cheese on it the last time. The only thing is missing is the shrimp and the chicken. Mm. Only meat on here is the bacon. That's about it. Mm. So good. What?
You know, I used to eat raw broccoli all the time. Now it irritates my throat.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
what, to like cook it down or whatever. But I like raw broccoli, so it ain't. You can do nothing.
My mama used to give us that for snacks. You
Raw
know,
broccoli.
broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. We ain't really care too much for the carrots.
As a child, I'd have cried about them carrots and that cauliflower. Now, can't eat me off no
I
cauliflower.
told you I love cauliflower. I just don't like how you destroy it.
She mad because I make good cauliflower.
We used to get that salad dressing, put it in that little bowl, and get the broccoli and the cauliflower and just go to town. Do you know Marie's dressing is $4 and something now?
Really? Mm. I don't know when it was like 2 something.
Right.
Everything is high. It's just really getting outrageous. I swear.
We used to eat them chicken wings with that Marie's blue cheese.
That's what I'm having tomorrow, some chicken wings.
You must be stopped.
What?
You keep, you know what? You know
Babe,
what?
now how am I messing with her? You gonna say I'm messing with her, but I'm not. I'm doing what I got to do to lose weight. And I'm also doing what I got to do to bring my A1C down. Girl, you say what you want?
You could have ate chicken thighs.
What's
You could
the
have ate
fun
some
in that?
chicken breasts.
What's the fun in air fried chicken, dry ass air fried chicken breast? The air fried chicken thighs. What's the fun in that?
Mm-hmm. It's all good.
I gotta get. Well, you know what? I might just have steak and eggs tomorrow. Just
Another one.
since she having a problem about the chicken, I probably just do steak and eggs.
No, eat what you want. I just eat my mush.
Do breakfast for dinner. Oh, to the lady that asked to see how I make my smoothie. I did it. I did a video. I did a video today. It's gonna be out tomorrow. Cause I gotta piece it together. I don't edit. I just gotta piece together. Cause what you see is what you get.
Yo, Curtis. Close that door.
I don't know why I'm saving this tomato, man. Let me go ahead on. Oh man. Yo. Yo. This is good. This is good.
Man.
I didn't get a chance to drink my juice. So this is it. 1 meal a day. I do 1 meal a day anyway because I do 2 juice. It's juice meal. So
Man.
on the weekend,
People are tripping.
I think I'm gonna do straight carnivore for the weekend.
You saw that woman that killed her baby grandma?
Was that her mama?
No, that was the daddy's mama.
Oh,
And
I
that
saw that
woman,
this morning.
and that woman had more family Like she had children,
Mm-hmm.
and she had other grandchildren, and this woman just went took her from them.
Wait, is it that she wanted her baby or something?
No, well, yeah, 'cause she tried to run with her, but people stopped her.
Girl, I don't know what made her think she was gonna get away with that.
Well, this woman have, if the court deemed you unfit when your baby was born, I don't know what made you think that was gonna be, you know, a thing. What you thought you was gonna get away and go to Mexico?
Right.
But the thing is, she shot the woman in front of the baby. This this is her grandma, but that's basically the only mama this child has ever known. And you know, you saying you care for the baby and whatnot. But how could you go ahead on and traumatize that baby like that?
People wilding. You're just really wilding, cause why would you do something like that? I mean,
Then there's Starbucks.
well, cameras all over.
Right. I think another family member went with her, and that's who stopped her from taking the child. But she was there when the police got there. I don't know if they detained her or whatever.
Probably. My egg fell off.
That's some crazy stuff. Then the other broad who going to jail for killing her baby. They got a whole lot more to that story that nobody's telling.
Right.
I think one of the other siblings killed that baby and she don't want her child.
Mm-hmm.
You know, would you prefer to go to jail for negligence or manslaughter?
I prefer not to go to jail for either. But if I had to, I prefer
You know what didn't make no
negligence.
sense to me? You got your babies in the car. You know you got 2 pistols in the glove box. Why would you leave them unlocked? Why would you leave the glove box unlocked? Then you know you getting out the car, leaving them in the car. Then she try to make up some road rage.
So the first
story.
fuck up was that she left them kids unattended.
No, her first fuck up was they wasn't in no car seats.
Mm.
Now I'm not saying that they can't get out of car seats, but that was the first one.
Yeah, because these kids built different.
And her second fuck up was that she didn't have the glove box locked, knowing she had guns in her glove box.
Girl.
Oh well, I guess I'm gonna eat a half an avocado. That's the closest I could get to a salad. You messy.
What?
Mm-hmm. It's all good though.
So every time I eat a salad, I'm messing with her or I'm messing.
Cause you don't. Now watch. When I'm able to eat a salad, you ain't gonna be able to put a salad in Keisha's mouth.
You're lying.
You ain't even gonna be able to put it on screen with her.
You're lying.
I know, because if I eat one, you feel you obligated.
Have you not been seeing these delicious salads I'm putting?
That's
eating?
only 2 salads. Come better.
And there's gonna be more to come.
That's for your smart mouth.
Messing with joy.
Then you ate my cucumbers. The nerve of you. The nerve.
I told you what it was.
That ain't. Did you ask?
You was asleep.
Good answer.
I told you I didn't want to wake you up.
Good. You didn't mind the other day.
When you gonna let that go?
I told you already. I'm not. Cause I know it'll be happening again soon.
It's that is good as hell, y'all. Mm-hmm. Mm.
Trying to rub shit.
Yes, you are. I'm always trying to rub it. Bitch, they're gonna be your claim to fame.
What kind of thing?
That I'm trying to rub it.
You are, and you know you are.
I'm not. Girl, why don't you just let me eat my damn salad in peace? I'm enjoying my salad. I'm gonna eat
You
my
know you
salad.
trying to rub
You
it.
just gonna be mad. Cause guess what? I'm eating another salad tomorrow with my chicken wings. Or with my steak and eggs.
For what? That ain't how it go.
Trying to get my calories together. I'm trying to, like with the juicing, I want to know the calories in the ginger, the cucumber, everything. And then, with my leftover calories, I incorporate into my meal. And that damn sure don't go over. Mm-mm. Cause I want this. I want this A1C to go down so bad I can taste it. I can taste it.
Mm.
And if that means she gotta tell me that I'm being messy, that I'm messing with her, however it go, oh well.
You
Cause guess
eat
what?
tomatoes.
I'm gonna
Tomatoes
eat
got too many carbs. Why you eat tomatoes?
because I want it. Look, this is the way I see it. It ain't fried, and it ain't deep fried, you know. And if it's fried, it's air fried. Come on. So,
Man, once I get myself together, you gonna be mad sitting next to me.
wow. So when I go get my teeth taken out, you gonna mess with me?
You gonna get your teeth took out?
I told you that.
Yeah, right. Now you gonna be like Mike?
Hmm.
Man.
So good. I'm about to finish them.
Man, this morning, our driver was driving like that motherfucker was getting away from something. Then a man drove us later on the exact same bus and took about 15, 20 extra minutes. But at least he didn't go that long way he always normally go.
Right. But you know something? I felt comfortable with her driving. And you know how you thought you were driving.
I didn't.
I did. I felt more. I feel more comfortable with her driving Then the guys.
No, she too throat to me. She be on her phone. She be switching the radio stations and
Ain't about to let nobody cut you. You saw that?
What?
Ain't about to let nobody cut in front of her. Yeah.
Then she was harassing other drivers. She'll be on their bumper, they not moving, she start blowing. I like, oh wow. Get us caught up in the road rage incident and shit.
Mm.
She ain't let nobody cut her, but she sure was cutting a lot of people.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. This is good.
Yeah, I'm gonna have you crying.
Here you go. I enjoyed this alley, y'all.
And you gonna say, you're not bothering me, you're not bothering me. And when y'all hear those words, y'all know she lying.
You know what I'm saying? Cause see, even though I'm still having cravings for stuff, I'm overcoming a lot. I really am. And I'm proud of myself.
You still got beef ribs?
Yes, ma'am.
Where you put them in the freezer?
Mm-hmm. I got pork fingers too.
I got pork fingers, fuck.
This was so good, y'all.
Boy, I can't wait. I'm gonna cook me some pork chops with a little gravy or something.
I'm glad I ain't get no pork chops because I sure was thinking about doing that, getting pork chops and making some gravy and cauliflower rice. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Go ahead. Won't bother me at all.
So, y'all.
I just gotta go through my course, go through what I gotta go through, and not let you bother me, cause you trying. It's alright.
Anyway.
Like I said, I don't need trolls, cause you my biggest troll.
Oh! I said, oh! Number one. She is my number one super fan, y'all. My number one super fan. That's why I say nothing, nobody else can tell me. Gonna make me stop YouTube. Gonna make me run off this bitch crying. None of that. Because when you learn to not give a fuck about what people think of you, say to you, or care about you, it's freeing. I'm telling you, it's freeing. You know, I've even had, the night before last, I had 6 trolls. 2 of them was 2 different names, but they said the exact same thing, so I knew it was the same person. And one of them was like, you know, we always attacking our guests, and like, what the fuck? This channel is non-drama. We welcome, accept, and respect all people that come to a Walk in the Pet Woman's Shoes. This channel is the WAR channel. WAR, W-A-R. Welcome, accept, and respect everybody. You hear me? But you know what? I should say where. This is the WARE channel. W-A-R-E. Welcome, accept, respect everybody. You hear me? It don't matter who you are, what's your color, what's your creed, what's your religion, your gender. We don't give a shit. Sexuality, it don't matter. You are always welcome over here because we don't do drama. Even though we get the little super fans, that feel like they know you because they see you for 30 minutes or they see you in the live. They think they know your whole life story summed up in 30 minutes or less. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, no.
Wait.
So,
Who say you
know,
be attacking your guests?
somebody say, y'all don't do nothing but attack y'all guests when they just be trying to talk to y'all. What are you
guest?
talking about?
What was their name?
We don't. All I know is the last name was some kind of Reed. If you can read something like that, if you can read or something like that.
And you a troll already off top.
Right. When people just trying to talk to y'all, y'all be attacking people. You can't. Anybody that ever came to a walk in a fair woman's shoes can always say, anytime them motherfuckers go live, they don't attack nobody. They welcome everybody that speak to them. And they welcome the people in the background. You heard me? Because we say, everybody welcome. Everybody is welcome over here. You heard me?
I guess
so
when somebody came in a live and say, hey, Toothless crew.
But we didn't attack
wait. And I smiled and told them, no, come back later. Then I'll be toothless. That was an attack.
Okay, now that was an attack. You called us the Toothless crew, but guess what? We're doing something you're not. We're here.
That?
We're here. We're showing ourselves. You know, they hide behind these letters and these pictures. Show yourself. You know what I'm saying? If you don't like me, that's fine. I don't really care if you like me or not.
Well, why you keep coming?
You know, exactly. You know, just
like
unsubscribe.
No AA,
right. Just unsubscribe. You don't like what you see on. You don't like watching two fat toothless bitches motherfucking eat.
You're not toothless.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. Toothless means you have no teeth.
Well, I got two missing in the front.
That's not toothless.
Let them super fans tell it it's toothless. But anyway, y'all don't like seeing two fat bitches eating? Feel free to click off. You know, nobody's telling you, oh, you got to go to their channel. You have to go to their channel. Because my thing is this, if you come to our channel without that drama, you will enjoy yourself. I guarantee you'll enjoy yourself. Unless you just one of those people.
Somebody, they're free to say what
right,
the hell
they can say
want.
what they want, but then
when you say something, you're attacking them.
Right.
Wow.
Right. You're attacking them when you're attacking them when you tell them something back that they told you. Well, they were attacking you, but once you say something back to them, not attacking, you're attacking them. See, I don't like shit like that. I don't. But anyway, like I said, if you actually sit down and watch us, you would actually enjoy yourself. Unless you're just one of those people that don't like nothing and nobody. I don't know what to tell you. But even so, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get about you. I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We love y'all. Y'all take care. Be blessed. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thank you for coming and watching and rocking with us. And until next time, we going to pledge you down and dig you later. Because I know y'all can pick up what we are putting down. You heard me? Peace, Ola. Hit that. And like my baby said, and I'm out.